I think that the first contribution of the Prophet of Islam was the belief in oneness of God, that is Tawheed. His first teaching was La ilaha illallah. When he was appointed as a prophet in 610 AD, he used to say, Ayyuhan nas qulu la ilaha illallah tuflihu. O people, say, there is no God but one God. You will be success. This was a revolutionary message. You know, throughout the history, man was worshipper of nature. Nature worship was the greatest religion of all mankind. Sun was God, moon was God, stars were God, oceans were God, mountains were God, animals and trees were God. So everything was God. This was the most important teaching of the Prophet of Islam. Because what is nature? Nature is creature. Nature is not creator. So all these people were engaged to worship the creature, not the creator. So this was due to this, man was living in blindness. God created all these nature as a blessing. All those techniques, all those sciences were hidden in this nature. All those civilizational items, all those industrial items, so all the science, all the industry, all the technology was hidden in this nature. But people were worshipping the nature. So if you worship the nature, you cannot take it as a subject of investigation. So worship was a constant obstacle. Nature worship was a constant obstacle towards investigation, towards exploration, towards scientific studies. The Prophet of Islam removed this obstacle. After long effort, he made people believe that nature is simply creature. Nature is not a God. So when nature was displaced from the divinity, then science started. Then began the scientific investigation in nature. So it was the Prophet of Islam who started the era of science. What is science? Science means all the sciences are based on nature. Science means natural sciences. So when nature was God, it was not object of investigation. But when the Prophet of Islam displaced nature from the divinity, then the process of investigation began, and the era of science started. This was the first contribution of the Prophet of Islam. Prophet of Islam gave people, gave mankind the idea of Tawheed, that is oneness of God. It means that God is the creator and all these things are creature. All these sun, all these moon, all these stars, ocean and mountains, everything is creature. So don't worship creature, but worship God. This was the beginning of science. This was the beginning of modern technology. This was the beginning of modern industry. So this was the first contribution of the Prophet of Islam.